Good evening, Sue.
Hello. All right. Okay. Welcome back to the class, guys. How are you this evening?
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah.
fine.
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah.
And you, Bro
That's
Coco, you
good.
fine
I'm
too?
very okay today. This is the last meeting, yeah, guys. What do you feel, guys? Do you feel happy? Do you feel sad?
Sad. I feel sad, bro.
I
Why?
feel anxious because must be tell
Continue.
about culture.
Okay. Because of the final exam, yeah. All right. Okay. Just enjoy, yeah. Just enjoy. Just speak. Speak what you wanna speak. Speak as long as you can. That's it. Okay. So today is about sharing session, guys. Even the name is final examination, but I really hope that you don't feel under the pressure because yeah, it's kind of sharing session only. Jadi hari ini walaupun namanya final exam, ujian terakhir ya, tapi saya pengen teman-teman just relax ya. Dibuat santai aja dan teman-teman pasti bisa ya. Yaitu adalah menceritakan tentang budaya masing-masing dalam waktu 2 sampai 3 menit. Yesterday we talk about culture, today we just retell ya. Hari ini kita hanya menceritakan ulang saja, like that one. You can talk about your local food, your local language, your local songs, music, and the other ones ya. Habit, traditions, and the other ones. Teman-teman bisa menceritakan tentang makanan ya tradisionalnya ya, mungkin bahasanya, dan yang lain-lain ya teman-teman. As long as you wanna tell. Ya menurut teman-teman, kayaknya ini harus saya kasih tahu deh ke teman-teman yang ada di kelas ini, silahkan. Oke, just raise your hand, diangkat tangannya ya guys. 2 to 3 minutes, 2 sampai 3 menitan. This is final exam and look at this. Ya, please tell us about your own culture in 2 to 3 minutes. Kalau teman-teman lihat di modul, itu ceritakan tentang budaya yang pernah kamu ikuti, atau mungkin custom ya, adat istiadat yang pernah kamu lihat, that's it. Tapi ya menurut saya lebih oke kalau teman-teman menceritakan budaya masing-masing. Jadi teman-teman lebih in di situ ya, lebih tahu gitu. Jadi silakan diceritakan budaya masing-masing dalam waktu 2 sampai 3 menit. And please you can on cam ya. Boleh on cam untuk pertemuan yang terakhir ini guys ya. I wanna know your handsome and beautiful faces ya guys. Because I often know maybe Bro Abdul Halim ya. Nah, every day always on cam, very good. I really appreciate ya. Sis Emilia as well ya. Often on cam ya. Nah, Bro Subhan as well ya. Kalau Bro Subhan beberapa kali tapi saya sudah hafal juga ya. Alright. And the other ones ya. Dan teman-teman yang lain yang mungkin saya belum terlalu hafal. Dalam artian saya belum terlalu hafal wajahnya. Kalau namanya saya sudah tahu ya, saya sudah hafal. Sis Wida juga hampir setiap hari ya, bahkan setiap hari on cam. That's good. Silakan guys, siapa yang mau duluan ya? Come on. Who wants to be the first? I will give the chance. Yang duluan pasti lebih intensif ya, dengan mungkin koreksian dari saya atau feedback yang lebih mendalam dari saya. Okay. Sis Nana is raising hand. Sis Yulvita as well. And the other ones, please. Come on ya, you can raise your hand, but I need to go to Sis Nana ya for the first one. Hello, Sis Nana. Look like outside ya, kayaknya lagi di luar nih. But Sis Nana, can you do?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm sorry because I'm on my way, but I can speak about it. I can
okay,
discuss about it.
okay. If you cannot speak now, it's okay. You can
No,
find
I
the.
can.
Okay, please. So that's
Uh,
your turn. You can start, Sis Nana.
hmm. My ethnic is Melayu. How to say Malay, maybe.
Yeah, Malay.
Right? Uh-huh. So in Malay tradition, when people get married, there is a special uh, custom that When foreman, how to say, grows or no, when husband will meet the bride,
The bride,
right?
okay.
From the entrance, yeah.
Yeah,
There
entrance.
will be a family from the bride will waiting and put some clothes. Two people will stand at the right and left uh, and hold clothes to as uh, get as a get, right?
Okay. Okay,
Every,
just speak. Just speak.
and then uh, the the family will ask about something using pantun. How to say pantun?
Okay, pantun is pantun is kind of
And
poetry, yeah? Poetry.
poetry. So
Mhm.
and the family from the husband also will answer with pantun. They will bring their own uh, men who will ask about answer about the poetry. It's until three get using clothes to the pelaminan. What is it? Pelaminan.
Sorry?
Bro Coco. How to say pelaminan?
What we call it? Price
Wedding
place?
organizer maybe.
Mm,
No, not even
that's right.
the states. The state.
The
No.
stage, also. Yeah, the stage, yeah. Maybe the stage,
So
yeah.
uh-huh. And at the last stage before the clothes open, maybe there will be some attraction like pencak silat.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Martial. I know, I know, I know.
So after that, if the family of the bride say it's okay to open the gate and let the husband to sit behind to see the bride and sit behind his wife. Uh, we call it palang pintu.
Palang
We
pintu,
call it
ya.
palang pintu.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Betawi.
And every time the clothes will open at the gate, uh, the family from the husband will give some money to uh, the man who hold the clothes.
Okay.
That is. By the way, have
Okay.
you meet Mr. Feynman in Malioboro?
Sorry? You will what? You will meet?
I will meet Mr. I will meet Bro Feynman in Malioboro.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's additional information, ya. Oh, yeah, okay, okay. So enjoy, ya.
Yeah.
Enjoy, sis Nana.
Okay.
So you are
I'm so
in.
sorry. I'm not in a silent place. I'm in a restaurant to have dinner.
Okay, okay,
Sorry,
all
Bro
right.
Coco. Last night I got sleep in the middle of the class.
Okay, all right. But I really appreciate,
Okay.
ya. Even you're busy there
Uh-huh.
and you're on traveling, ya. So I really
Yes.
appreciate because you still try to do this final exam. Thank you, sis
I
Nana.
thank you, Bro Coco. Thank you, guys.
Welcome,
Bye.
welcome. Oke, good. Oke ya, tadi guys ada poetry ya. Poetry itu ya puisi ya. Kalau pantun kita tetap bisa bilang pantun ya. It's like the art of words gitu ya. Tapi Kalau di bahasa Inggris memang
Acceptable.
tidak ada ya pantun di
Happy.
bahasa Inggris. Jadi kita bilangnya ya it's like similar to
Pantun.
poetry. Tetap pantun
Blue.
like that.
Rice.
Okay. And then the next one guys ya. Tadi dari Sis Nana ketika bilang maksudnya kepelaminannya tuh ke panggungnya itu kan. Ya kita bilangnya the stage ya. Tapi kalau melangkah ke pelaminan, nah itu baru namanya ESO. ESO. Ya, tulisannya ada di chat box ya, teman-teman bisa cek di situ. Dan ketika bilang pencak silat, tetap bilang pencak silat, tapi setelahnya bisa dijelaskan. What is pencak silat? Pencak silat is martial art. Martial art itu ya bela diri. That's it. Okay, thank you Sis Nana ya, you did it very good. And then the next one, I want to move to other friend, and Sis Ayin as the second one. Hello, Sis Ayin.
Hello, Bro Koko. Hello, guys. Good evening.
All right. Good evening. This is your turn. Ready for it?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
So I want to tell you all about the culture of my area. I am from Rembang, Jawa Tengah, Central Java, Rembang Central Java. And if you don't know where Rembang is in Central Java, but it is placed in northern coastal of the Javanese island. So if you think that all Javanese or moreover Central Javanese is talking in polite Javanese language, you are wrong because in Rembang we talk Javanese, but in like Roper, in like in Roper and in what is ceplas-ceplos.
Yeah, just root ya.
It's
root way.
Roper and root
Root
dialect.
way. Okay.
Even though we are in the same province with Solo, with Magelang, with like Purwokerto, but we don't talk as polite as them. We usually using like Javanese dialect Ngoko. Ngoko is the lowest level of Javanese when you talk not using polite dialects, polite words. That's in Rembang, and because Rembang is in border with East Java, so Rembang. Then after Rembang is Tuban. Tuban is already in East Java province. Our culinary is spicier more than other region in Central Java. If you know like Solo or Magelang, the certain area of Central Java, usually the culinary is more is sweeter or is what is it more apa kental itu apa bro? Lekoh.
What's that?
Kental.
Okay. All right. I will fly.
More the culinary in southern area of Central Java is sweeter and more spice. Sweeter, but in my area in Rembang, it is spicier, and usually we use from seafood ingredients, and we tend to make the dish spicier. So sometimes when people from other area or even from the like Central Java but certain region and visiting Rembang, they tend they are having shock culture because the food is much spicier than what they usually eat in certain area of Central Java. And Rembang is also before the Indonesian proclamation, Indonesian liberation, Rembang is used to be pelabuhan.
Port, harbor.
Yeah,
Harbor.
port used to be a harbor
Mhm.
for the trader from Chinese, from India, and from other from Malacca. So in Rembang there is another district that only Chinese people, but all of the Chinese people there is all of the Chinese people there are Muslim, because when there is a Chinese trader came to Rembang, then Wali Songo also, there is one famous Wali Songo or Islamic preacher from Rembang area called Sunan Bonang. Then they Sunan Bonang and one of the Chinese trader married and having children, and all of his descendant is Chinese but Muslim. So there is a district that all of the people are Chinese but all of them are Muslim. That's what the story of Rembang, Central Java.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, then, yeah. So that's what I want from you guys, yeah. So you tell about your own culture. You can not only telling, but also you can promoting, yeah, something that's unique, something that's beautiful, and something that's amazing from your own culture. And Sis Nana did, Sis Ayin too, yeah, about Rembang, about the language, yeah, even at the same province with Solo, but the different language, yeah. Okay, it's similar to Kediri and Surabaya, yeah. Kediri and Surabaya. So we all know that Kediri is very polite, yeah, but in Surabaya, yeah, so that's different. Okay, Sis Ayan, that's good. There are some, ya. Tadi ketika bilang kental, ya kental bisa lumpy, ya, or maybe thick. Thick itu tebal gitu. Lumpy, kental. Harbor tadi ya pelabuhan. Dan ketika Sis Ayin bilang salah, itu bukan wrong, tapi langsung R-nya ya, wrong.
Wrong.
Nah, that's it. Okay. I think that's all. Itu aja. Overall, amazing from you. Thank you, Sis Ayin. That's nice. And then the next, yeah, I want to move to Bro. After Sister, I want to go to Bro Zain. Bro Zain, it's your turn. Hello, Bro.
Hello.
Okay, this is your turn. Please, you need to tell with your own culture. Time's yours.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Tonight, I'm delighted to share a brief yet meaningful overview of the culture I come from, the culture of the Melayu Pontianak. Okay. Particularly those who originate from Mempawah, a coastal and river-based region in West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Our culture is deeply rooted in harmony, spirituality, and a strong sense of community. To begin with, our cultural identity is reflected in the way we speak, behave, and interact with others. And the Melayu Pontianak dialect is warm, expressive, and unmistakably melodic. It carries our values of politeness, respect, and emotional closeness in our daily interaction. We prioritize humanity, gentle communication, and maintaining peaceful relationship, traits that define who we are as a people. Another defining element of our culture is traditional attire. For men, the teluk blanga is commonly worn, while women often wear the baju kurung, known for its elegance and modesty. These garments are more than pride and more than clothing. They symbolize dignity, identity, and cultural pride. You will see them during weddings, festival, and religious occasions, making every event feel meaningful and beautifully rooted in tradition. when it comes to cultural ceremonies, the Melayu Pontianak have exceptionally rich rituals. Weddings, for example, include symbolic practices such as tepung tawar, cucur air mawar, and nyucok nasi selubang. Each ritual represents blessings, purification, unity, and the hope for a harmonious future. These ceremonial acts are not only visually beautiful, but also emotionally significant because they connect families and strengthen community bonds. One of the most captivating cultural tradition in Mempawah is Robo-Robo, a large communal festival held annually. The celebration brings together families, neighbors, and visitors to share prayers, offering, and food, and the atmosphere is vibrant yet spiritual, and it reminds us of gratitude, togetherness, and the deep connection between our community, the rivers that shape our environment. Our culture also strongly emphasizes hospitality and togetherness. Sharing food is considered a form of respect, and welcoming guests with warmth is a moral responsibility. In our community, refusing food is seen as impolite because meals symbolize connection, generosity, and blessings. This tradition reflects how deeply we value unity. Lastly, our traditional architecture also tells a story. Many Malay houses in Mempawah are built on stilts, close to river and wetlands. This design shows how our ancestors adapted gracefully to their natural surroundings, blending practically with cultural identity. For us, the river is not just part of the landscape, it's the part of who we are. In conclusion, the culture of the Melayu Pontianak in Mempawah is a harmonious blend of tradition, spirituality, hospitality, and strong social values. Through our language, clothing, ritual, festival, and everyday customs, we express a cultural identity that is warm, deeply connected, and beautifully resilient. And thank you very much for listening. That's it.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, that's good. So original from Pontianak, bro.
Yeah.
Saying, all right, okay.
Near from it.
Okay, I see. So I think in Borneo and Kalimantan, so many languages, yeah, bro.
Yes, many language.
So it's like not only different province, different language, but even at the same regions, there are some
Yes,
dialects.
we can talk Chinese, Melayu, and Dayak language.
Okay, I
Yes.
see. All right.
And there's many kinds of Melayu in here. Melayu Sambas, Pontianak, Mempawah, and others.
Yeah, so when one and then some branches and then the one with the branches again, right?
Yeah.
I see. Okay, yeah, that's Indonesia, yeah, everybody. So very beautiful, very so many, yeah. I mean like so many cultures inside. Okay, bro Zin, I think just some words, yeah, to be corrected when you said about daerah is not region, but region. And then
Sorry.
it's fine, bro. Memprioritaskan, it's not prioritize, yeah, priorities, but prioritize.
Okay.
Prioritize.
Because I'm panic in my brain. I say my accent is very bad right now.
No. You're good, bro. You're good, really. The last one, arsitektur, yeah, archi, yeah. It's not architecture,
okay.
but architecture. Okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. All right, yeah. And the next one, I want to move to other friend. Sis Erna, yeah. Sis Erna, it's your turn. Ready for it?
Hello. Ready.
Okay, time's yours. Good luck.
Okay, hi all. Now I'm living in Bekasi, but I don't know well about culture in Bekasi, so I will ask you about tradition and culture in Boyolali, my origin, where I born.
Okay.
So, in Bekasi's region in Central Java, Boyolali have many tradition and culture. In Boyolali have a tradition where people will preparing tumpeng and ingkung or whole chicken with other side dish. The ingkung and tumpeng will place in central of the field overnight, and then at the morning they will take back. After that, they will ready to harvest. And then they did it to ensure the harvest will smooth way and plentiful harvest. And then the other famous tradition in Boyolali is the sedekah for Merapi and Merbabu Mound. This ceremony is held by all people nearest Merapi and Merbabu Mound to say thanksgiving to God and for natural and beauties and safety. This ceremony, residents will bring their crops and pray together. Furthermore, Boyolali is known about traditional dishes such as marning. This is made by corn. And then jenang, or in Betawi, this is called dodol. And cold meal. And then goat satay. Okay, that's all.
Thank you, sis Erna ya. So actually, originally you're from Boyolali, but now you live in Bekasi.
Bekasi,
I
yes.
see. Okay. All right. That's good. Thank you, sis. Some corrections ya. The first one,
Yes, okay.
ketika tadi bilang I will ask you. Nah, ask itu bertanya. Kalau kita
Oh
memberitahu, I
iya,
will
iya.
tell you ya.
I will
I'll
tell you,
tell
oke,
you,
oke.
okay? Kemudian ketika bilang lainnya, it's bacanya bukan order, tapi other.
Others.
Other, yes.
Oh, it's
Menjawab
okay.
bukan answer, tapi answer. Answer. Oke?
Oke, oke.
Oke, dan yang
Oke,
terakhir
oke.
untuk sate ya. Sate itu ada bahasa Inggrisnya sebutannya satay. Like that.
Satay. Oh,
Okay.
oke.
Thank you, Susanna. Yeah, thank you so much. All right,
You're
guys. Yeah.
welcome.
Good. And it can be the short and the last breakout room, yeah, guys, because this is the big class. It's not regular, yeah, for regular or maybe semi-private, maybe around 10 to 20 people. But for now, yeah, we are in a big class. So when I choose the speaker, the other ones will be silent ya. Kalau saya tunjuk satu sebagai pembicara, waktunya gitu kan. Yang lain yang belum be silent guys ya. Yang sudah same as well. Sama juga ya, akan diam juga. Nah, sementara waktu kita cuma 1 jam ya, just an hour. And this is the last meeting, so you need to practice more ya before you go to the next level. Sebelum teman-teman ke level selanjutnya. Di level selanjutnya, mostly about the reading and grammar. That's it. Lebih banyak tentang reading sama grammar ya, tata bahasa. Tapi ya outputnya tetap speaking guys, but it's not as much as in basic 2. Sekarang saya bagi ke teman-teman ke beberapa room ya. It's kind of sharing session dan saya akan masuk ke room tersebut. Tapi ya nanti boleh teman-teman on cam, dan kalau ada saya sudah anggap saja saya nggak ada di situ ya teman-teman. Oke, saya ke room teman-teman beberapa kali masih ada yang tidak ada suara sama sekali. Nah, jadi saya harap ketika saya ada ataupun tidak ada di situ, teman-teman enjoy aja ya, enjoy aja. Toh nanti beberapa menit setelahnya saya pasti pindah room like that one. Jadi teman-teman jangan sampai gara-gara ada saya terus diam gitu ya. Silahkan dipraktekkan ya, 1 person 2 to 3 minutes, 2 sampai 3 menit ya. You can speak, you can manage your time. Teman-teman bisa berbicara dan coba diatur ya, gimana nyampe ke 2 menit, gimana tidak lebih dari 3 menit ya. Managing time everybody. Nanti kalau sudah, pindah ke teman yang lainnya. Oke, all, are you ready for it? 15 minutes only ya, 15 menitan aja teman-teman.
Yes,
Ready?
ready.
Ready.
Okay, click joining. Have a nice practicing. Yeah, this is the last that we have. Ya, around 15 minutes ya, sekitar 15 menitan buat teman-teman. Maximum 1 person 3 minutes. Good luck everybody. Enjoy and see you on breakout room 2 ya. Saya masuk ke banyak room untuk hari ini guys. Hello, guys. Hello, brothers and sisters. All right, so we are here ya on a main session and we are still waiting for other friends. Kita masih nunggu teman-teman yang lain ya. All right, okay, they are coming, they are joining and they are here now. Hello all. Hello.
Hey, bro.
Okay.
Hey, bro.
How about your breakout room today? Was it amazing, guys?
Cool.
Amazing.
So amazing today.
Amazing.
We
That's
can
amazing.
know about other culture.
That's it. Okay, so that's why I need to a bit revise the topic or the theme that we have today. I need to make it as the contextual one because we are from different places, so we need to promote about our own cultures. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I went to many rooms today and I noted some to all of you here. Okay, so directly I need to give the feedback to you guys The first one, when you want to say about terkenal how to say it guys? Terkenal in English?
Famous.
Famous.
Famous ya.
Famous.
Oh, well known.
Famous.
Okay, famous.
Well known, yeah.
Well known,
Well known.
okay, but terkenal here is famous.
Famous.
Kalau well known itu dikenal
Dikenal.
biasa dikenal nih itu well known. Kalau terkenal famous, bacanya jangan famous Mbak, famous.
Famous.
Oke, famous terkenal. Kalau famos itu bahasa Spanyol famos. That's it, right? Okay. And then if we go move. Nah, kalau ini ada dua kata kerja gini nggak bisa guys. If we go itu kata kerja, move kata kerja.
Yes.
Satu
I give
aja.
two.
If we go.
Nah, kalau kita pergi untuk pindah, nah itu ada tuh di tengah-tengah.
Satu tengah.
If we go to move off and
Ini namanya to infinitive ya.
To infinitive.
To
We can.
infinitive.
Okay.
Ini nanti ada di materi di bulan ketiga guys. Nanti pasti ketemu sama materi. And then more hard. Nah, hard itu kan satu suku kata kan, cuman hard
Yeah.
gitu kan.
Harder.
Kalau
Yes, the harder.
Nah, kalau mau
Harder.
bilang lebih itu harder
Harder.
Harder.
This one,
harder.
Harder.
The
More-nya hilang.
Okay.
this one comparative sentence, right?
Yes, comparative degree. That's
Degree
it.
comparative degree.
Ya, degree of comparison. Nah, itu jadi kalau satu kata akhirnya ER. Kayak
Yeah.
besar kan big, kalau lebih besar
Bigger. Bigger.
jadi
BR.
bukan more
paling
more
besar
big gitu.
biggest.
Nah, kalau paling besar the biggest.
Bigger.
Nah, and then kemudian bedakan dua ini satunya which one, satunya one of. Which one artinya apa, guys?
Yang mana?
Nah,
Which one yang mana?
nah, berarti ada beberapa pilihan di situ ya. Yang mana.
Yeah.
Tapi kalau one
Which one
of,
do you like?
Oh, satu dari
Salah
salah
dari-
satu. One of.
salah satu. Kalau which
Salah
one
satu.
itu menanyakan sesuatu.
Menanya.
Yeah.
Which one?
Which one
you like?
Nah, which one do you like? Okay, I like one of these, for example.
This one choice.
Okay, yeah, which one is a choice? And then, nah ini cara baca tahu jangan ke no ya guys. No.
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 No. Satu lagi, ini artinya asam.
Sour.
Sour. Jangan sour tapi sour. Jangan juga shower. Kalau shower ya ini shower. Jadi sour sama shower. Beda kan?
Gimana? Sour. Shower.
Oke. Sama kayak ini teman-teman ya. Ini sama ini bacanya gimana nih?
So.
So sama show. Oke, good ya. Jadi walaupun sebenarnya kita bisa tahu sih dari satu kalimat, tapi kalau kita bisa membuatnya lebih sempurna, kenapa enggak kan gitu ya
Why
guys?
not?
Yeah, why not? That's it. Okay, that's all ya. So guys, I need to make a memory with you. So can we take a picture guys ya before we close the class?
Sure.
Come on ya. Come on, you need to open your account, and of course, I need to click the print screen from here, and then I'll send to you guys ya to the WhatsApp group. Oke, saya kalau foto nih pasti kaku ya guys. Boleh dong diajarin nih gimana nih ya stylenya?
Iya.
Ladies, maybe ladies.
No.
Maybe ladies ya, because
Ayin,
ladies like to
Ayin.
take a
Ayin
selfie,
the
right?
best. Designer,
on.
Ayin.
Come on, what should we do guys? Yeah, come on. Or
Okay,
free
Ayin.
first?
So, auto action.
Okay, or maybe the first one is free, yeah, free everybody. So maybe cheese or the other ones, yeah. So cheers, everybody.
Money.
Oh, okay, all right, yeah. So maybe peace or peace first, yeah, maybe
Peace.
peace,
Okay.
peace, like this one, okay.
Thank
One.
you.
1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, I need to send it to the group, yeah. Okay, and then the next one is the freestyle, yeah, for us. Okay, so who knows, yeah, maybe the next we can meet again at the same class, or maybe no, yeah, we can know. Okay, for the next, come on. So 1, 2,
Spirit.
3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Spirit.
All right, guys, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, yeah, for
Thank you, Bro Koko.
1 month. Any question, any maybe statement from you guys? Come on, before we close the
No.
class.
Bro
Thank
Koko
you so
come
much.
from
Next
Bandung.
level we will
Bro
join
Koko.
Thank
with
you.
you.
Okay,
Bro Koko.
I hope, yeah, I hope we can be in one
Bro
class
Koko,
again.
I join with you, but 3 again. Yang ketiga.
Three again?
Yeah.
Iya,
Level
but
3.
yang ketiga.
Because
Oh, on the next
Your
level?
class, the next class.
Yes.
On the next
Bro
class, okay.
Koko, Bro Koko,
Okay, yeah, please.
holiday in Bandung.
Okay, okay, sis. Wow, I'm happy, yeah. you too, guys, yeah. You too, if you go to
No, Norinda, you not invite me?
Nah, okay.
To still group only.
Sis
I can invite you.
Nurinda, you can make open house maybe. All right. If you go to Kediri too, guys, yeah, you can go to Kampung Inggris and you can go to my house as well, yeah.
Okay,
Come to my house,
Okay,
guys.
Bro
Come to my
Koko.
house.
Inshallah.
Okay,
We
Bro
go there
Koko.
together.
That's it.
Close to your home, Bro Koko.
All right. Okay. So just come, bro, yeah. But
Visit
yeah,
West Sumatra,
I
Bro
live in
Koko.
Kertosono, Bro
not
Koko.
Sumatra. Okay, maybe next
West
I will
Sumatra.
West Sumatra,
I
yeah.
give
So
you rendang.
okay. Maybe next I will change my dream, yeah. I want to be traveler maybe, yeah, for the
Okay.
next. Right. So guys, yeah, 1 month flies so fast, right? Like yesterday I asked you about your name. Kayaknya baru kemarin
So
kita
sad.
perkenalan kan ya? Like yesterday.
Yes.
Sekarang
Yeah.
sudah pertemuan terakhir. So I really hope that you can continue ya guys. Don't stop your learning. So please till today ya. Ini sudah hari Jumat pertemuan terakhir. Saya pengen tahu dong. Boleh teman-teman yang sudah masuk ke grup yang baru siapa aja ya? Coba dari kelas yang ini boleh diangkat tangannya. So
Already.
klik raising hand ya. Di Zoom ada angkat tangan boleh diklik. Nah, raise hand. Oke ya.
In my group the coach is you, Bro Koko.
Really? Oh.
Yes.
Okay, nice to hear. Oke ya. Ada Bro Hidayat, Sis Lara, Sis Sinaya, Sis Sinta ya, Sis Lina, Bro Wiwin ya, Sis Emilia, Sis Erna, and the other ones ya. Bro Endang, bro. Oke. And then soalnya ada beberapa juga teman-teman yang mungkin di Basic 2 itu tidak sekelas sama saya ya. Dulu di Basic 1 satu kelas, terus Basic 2 pisah gitu ya. Nah, yang di Basic 1 ini beberapa juga kemungkinan akan gabung juga di di Intermediate 1 ya, di next level. Jadi makanya kenapa saya bilang ke teman-teman ya, yang lanjut bukan cuma dari kelas kita guys. Kalau memang teman-teman mau lanjut, segera amankan tempatnya ya. Soalnya yang lanjut itu dari kelas yang lain juga. Yang dulu pernah sama saya, ada yang masuk juga. Yang dulu belum pernah sama saya pun juga akan masuk ke situ. Jadi kalau memang sudah ditutup, itu sulit untuk masuk ya, harus nunggu ya 1 minggu, 2 minggu, bahkan lebih untuk kelas yang selanjutnya. Dan pasti beda kelas. Oke?
Bro.
Silakan ya teman-teman, bagi yang sudah
Sudah.
bisa ditunggu, nanti akan dikirimkan modulnya di grup ya. Bagi yang belum, segera daftar, dan ini sudah hari Jumat teman-teman ya, biar segera dimulai di hari Senin, tidak menunggu beberapa minggu seperti itu. Oke, everybody?
Oke.
Thank you.
Bro Koko.
Oke, ya, please sis.
Sertifikatnya dikirim ke mana, Bro? Email.
Sorry? Apa sih?
Sertifikatnya ini.
Certificate. Oke, certificate teman-teman silakan nanti akan di follow up sama teman-teman admin ya. Ada sis ini sudah ternyata ya. Oke.
Ada di
Saya up ya, certificate. Ya, nanti otomatis kalau teman-teman sudah mengisi link di
Apa bacaannya, Bro?
certificate
Certificate.
ya. Kalau sudah mengisi link yang ada di
grup
WA kita ya.
WhatsApp.
Nah, itu otomatis nanti dikirimkan ke email masing-masing.
Email ya.
Thank you, Bro.
Oke ya guys, enjoy your next class. Hopefully
Yeah.
we can be in a same class again.
Yes.
Oke.
Thank you, Bro Koko.
Thank you.
Oke, biasanya saya bilang thank you, see you gitu ya. Nah, kalau untuk hari ini mungkin saya ganti ya. I love you so much all. Love you guys ya. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys. Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.
Miss Lina, Miss Lina.
Bye.
Bye all.
Bye.
Good night.
Enak, nanti aku invite ya.
Oke. Don't miss it ya.
Oke. I'm so busy for minggu lalu apa?
Last week.
Last week.